So in this video, we will learn how to execute our first Python program using an IDE called PyCharm. So now let's execute from an IDE, that is an integrated development environment, instead of executing from a command line interface. So we have several IDEs available and we will be using PyCharm for this course. So we have PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Atom, Eclipse or NetBeans, Visual Studio, Thony, Sublime Text, Spider, etc. So now let's see how to download and install PyCharm. So go to Google and type download PyCharm to download and complete the installation, or you can go to JetBrains website and we'll be using the community version. So go to Google and type download PyCharm, or you can go to JetBrains page, and we'll be using community version for this course. So click on download and it is downloading here. So once the file is downloaded, double click on it and just follow the instructions. Click next, 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 and click on install. So PyCharm is installing on our machine. So you can see PyCharm Community Edition has been installed on your computer. So click finish. So now open PyCharm editor and click on I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of this user agreement. Click continue. So this is how PyCharm looks. Just click on new project and let me give beginner to advanced and click create. So there you go. We are able to create our Python project inside a PyCharm IDE. So now we have created a project called beginner to advanced. So now let's try to create a new Python file and execute our first Python program inside a PyCharm IDE, and let's name it welcome, and let's type welcome to Python programming and click on Ctrl S to save the file, and right click and click on run welcome. So now you can see welcome to Python programming has been printed in the console. So that is how we can download PyCharm IDE and execute our first Python program inside PyCharm IDE. Alright, see you in the next lecture.